Hello friends and welcome to my channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about 5 multi-bagger picks that could make you a lot of money over the next 6-7 years. These are multi-cap gems that would do a lot good over the next few years compared to other stocks. So this is, in my opinion, one of the portfolios that can beat any portfolio that you would be having. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation, and people taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I start with the multi-bagger picks, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel and it will help you ask questions from me on Patreon on the financial aspect, stocks, or you can say the markets. It starts from $2 a month, and once you pay $10 a month, you will have access to my portfolio watch list and ask small queries for one-line answers, one query per day throughout the month. For detailed market or company talk you want to have with me, you can email me directly, and also you get access to exclusive articles and videos once you even have a $2 Patreon membership. So the criteria for buying these shares that I'll tell you right now, they are established brands and strong managements, diversified yet market leaders. So they are in different divisions, different industries, yet they are market leaders in their own domain. They are large caps, small caps, and mid caps, but yet they are market leaders. Low to no debt, and there's absolutely no pledging. Strong institutional holding in each company, and solid return ratios and numbers. So how to allocate funds into these? Put 20% in each of these 5 stocks. Buy over next 10 months, that is over the next 10 months you buy 2% in each of the stock that you are getting into, and hold for the next 7 years minimum, and you'll get a very good CAGR return. I'm hoping for at least 17 to 20% in it, but keep 30% stop loss in each of them or each of the stock. So this is my first value pick, and this is Aarti Industries, a leading chemical company with many brands. It is a global. It has global presence all across. You can say Europe, Asia, and South America, and the North American region. It is one of the leading brands in some of the segments like benzene, etc. It is one of the you can say perhaps the only company that has benzene and toluene as their products. The other facet which is positive in the company is that it has strong DII, FII, and promoter holding, and only 6% of free float is there. The valuations are reasonable. It has run up a bit, but valuations are reasonable if you look at a 6-year time frame. Strong return ratios, and you can buy on major declines. We expect a consistent growth of around 20-25% in the stock if this chemical bull run continues for the next 2-3 years, which it seems like this stock could do wonders. Next stock in my radar is Reliance Industries, largest listed Indian company, one of the largest along with TCS. And so, why would I choose a 10 lakh crore company? It is a market leading brand with Geo at its platform. So, I'm not buying this company, or not quite saying that I'll buy this company based on its oil and gas business, but I'll buy it because of its technology business, because of its business in Geo, and the kind of internet penetration that Geo has created all across India. I think this is going to get even bigger with only two players in the market of you can say telecom. The prices are going to go up over the next 1 year, 2 years, and with the kind of management that we are talking about with Reliance, it is quite well appreciated and expected that they are going to do a lot of things with this Facebook deal in, and a lot of money coming in with a number of deals that they are going to put in a different infrastructural approach towards Reliance Industries, probably make it a technology company to become a consumer tech giant rather than a giant in the oil and gas segment. Looking to be net debt free by December is also a very big positive. They have put in a lot of strides in order to achieve such an approach. Stock is reasonably valued, and you can have a situation where it will be a top performer in a bull run. So geo listing prospects is also there, but you could have a geo as listed because many PE funds, Facebook, etc., would like to have a very good exit 2, 3 years, 4 years down the line. We could see a listing by end of 22 or in some part of 2023. That would also be a fillip for investors into the Reliance Industry platform. So changing the business model to become a consumer tech giant is the most important reason why I would buy into something like a Reliance Industries. The third company in my list is Asian Paints, and it is the only company that has increased its salaries of its employees in the current, you can say, pandemic and a situation where there's complete recession. It has a lot of cash on its books. The stock has fallen from around 1900, 1920 all the way to 1500, and is now going up. I think it is making a bottom around that 1500, 1450 region. And I can tell you very frankly that as far as I am concerned, I've seen the stock, and normally what happens is whenever the market recovers, this stock recovers extremely quickly. So whenever things normalize, maybe 3 months, 4, 5 months down the line, and the Diwali is around the corner, this stock is going to run a lot and probably make new highs by the end of the year. You can accumulate on any major declines over the next 8, 10 months. A debt free consumption company, very high institution and promoter holding. It will gain more market share as distress in economy continues. Why is that? Because many of the unbranded names, many of the names in the you can say economy which is not uh, regular economy, though those companies will just go away or vanish. Many of the small players will go away and vanish, and Asian Paints will get their market share in the coming months, and that has always happened over the last 10 15 years. So it will gain market share, that will bring in more profits, and low crude valuations, which I have not put in here. Valuations of crude being so low would really help the paint companies and would help Asian Paints as well. Fourth pick is in line, and I have talked about it earlier as well. InfoEdge. It is a market leader in online space, probably a market leader in perhaps you could say investments and buying out big companies on the online space. Have been a marquee brand for a decade. Very strong management, again high promoter FII holding. Have corrected in the last 2, 3 months, so it has corrected. It is around 2300, 2400. Results have been very strong. This is the time to accumulate. The company boasts of brands like Zomato, 99 Acres. There's matrimonial site with it, and there are other companies that are along with InfoEdge, Naukri, etc. And with Zomato, it seems like that they're going to come up with an IPO of Zomato in the next 2 to 3 years, or maybe an IPO in the US with Zomato. So a lot of things is going on, and that would help the company as a whole as well. Probably what you can do is buy on major declines, buy currently, and whenever the market falls big time, you can get into InfoEdge. It seems like an expensive stock at the moment, but over a 6, 7 year period, the company can grow by leaps and bounds. So after InfoEdge, let's see what is the fifth and final stock that I have chosen for you in this gamut of some multi-bagger picks. So let's see what is the fifth stock. The fifth stock in my portfolio is Titan Company. Now this is interesting. The stock has fallen from around 1350, 1400 levels as the highs were 6 months ago, and we are at 850, 870, something like that, and people are not touching the stock. I can tell you one thing, that large cap companies which are huge brands and have accumulated wealth over time do not have any effect, more or less, of any kind of economic recession or things if you hold them for 6 to 8 years. So these are times to accumulate Titan company at these levels. Any level below 1,000 are very good levels to accumulate. Keep on buying again for the next 8-10 months, and you will see the change happening from October November. So maybe you'll buy for the next 4 months and you'll see the stock rise pretty sharply. Keep on buying on major declines. A very interesting company, a very high growth business they have in the jewelry sector, a market leader in it. It is a fallen gem, and in the last 3 months crash it has fallen something like 40-45%. So me easily run up 50-60% from these levels in the next 6 months. Opportunity to buy and add, and valuations at multi-year lows at the moment. Yes, people might not go ahead and buy into jewelry or go into shopping in this environment that much, but over a 6-8 months period, things should normalize, and then 2 years down the line, you'll see the stock at a very high level. So this was my video on some of the multi-bagger picks. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. And kindly email me if you have some detailed queries on any stocks, or you could say the markets. Thanks a lot for watching.